Hello, and welcome to the even more silent Why podcast. I don't think it's just me that's noticed how crazy and stressful life feels nowadays. It's tiring, right? Relentless, hectic, hard work on all levels. Mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. There's pressure on all sides, even catching up with podcast episodes. So I've decided, to help me as much as you, I'm going to occasionally put out an episode to encourage/force you to do something that we all need to do every now and then. Stop. Breathe. Be still. And give your mind 2 minutes to just check in with you. You've probably experienced listening to a podcast with adverts, and the advert comes on at a time when you can't fast forward. So you're stuck with your hands in the washing up bowl, or you're in the shower, or you're driving, and you're forced to listen to the whole advert. Well, I kind of hope you're in one of those situations now, because I'm going to encourage you to do something and feel like you just have to do it. So pretend there's no option to stop or fast forward, because I want to give you just 2 minutes just for you. Let's face it, you came to this episode expecting it to be at least 30 minutes anyway, so I know you have 2 minutes free. And you know what? It might make all the difference to your day. In these short episodes, I'm going to transport you somewhere different each time to come with me and then just ask you to think about one thing. Today, we're going out early to watch the sunrise and listen to the dawn chorus as the birds start their spring day with song. Come and sit with me on this bench and look towards where the sun will come up, over anything you choose to imagine. Listen to the birds and take a moment to just turn your focus inwards. Start with 3 deep breaths. Now, over the next 2 minutes, I want you to ask yourself how you're feeling right now. Fearful, angry, joyful, content, sad, surprised, disgusted? It might not be as obvious as you think. Sometimes there's sadness behind the happy, sometimes there's anger behind the sad, sometimes there's numbness behind the frustration. Don't try to name how you think you should be feeling right now. Feel it first and just see what's really there. And then wait. And see what the answer really is. So, how are you feeling right now? Thank you. From me for joining me, but also there'll be parts of your own body and mind that are grateful that you stopped to notice them and check in. Whatever it is you identified, don't let it go without doing something about it. Recognizing emotions is a powerful way to understand ourselves better, to feel more in control and improve our emotional intelligence. Matt Haig said, "You are not your feelings. You just experience them. Anger, sadness, hate, depression, fear, this is the rain you walk in. But you don't become the rain. You know the rain will pass. You walk on. And you remember the soft glow of the sun that will come again."